Ethusa synapium, also known as fool's parsley, is one of the best remedy for the vomiting in children, especially during dentition and in hot summer weather due to intolerance of milk. It is a short-acting remedy. Symptoms set in suddenly and with violence. The call for this remedy is mostly among babies who take on complaints during dentition and in hot summer weather. The peculiar symptom of this drug is children have great intolerance to milk and there is complete absence of thirst as in Apis and Pulsatilla. Due to intolerance of milk, it is vomited in large curds as soon as taken. There is regurgitation of food an hour or so after eating. In terms of mental generals, there is idiocy in children. They are unable to think or fix the attention and are irritable and confused. Baby of Ethusa follows this cycle. First, it wakes up hungry, consumes milk, then vomits it back, followed by extreme weakness and prostration, and then again dozes off. Linea nasalis is well marked, great weakness and restlessness, want of power to stand or hold head up, cold sweat during fever, and the child needs to be covered during sweating. Sees cats, rats, dogs, etc. in his surroundings in delirious conditions. Ethusa synapium is indicated in conditions like cholera infantum, watery diarrhea in children. In fact, it's one of the main remedy for this condition. In vomiting and diarrhea in teething children or in hot summer weather. In occipital headache which extends down the spine and is better by lying down or by pressure. In squint, especially when squinting of eye is in downward direction. For swollen meibomian glands. In herpetic eruptions on tip of nose. For apathy in mouth after brain fag. It's also used in examination funk, in epilepsy, convulsions, back pain especially in lumbosacral region, lymphadenopathy, swelling of lymph nodes, in ecchymosis, anasarca, etc. if the symptoms of the drug match with that of the patient. Coming to modalities, the complaints are aggravated at 3 to 4 am, in evenings by warmth, in summers after eating, drinking, vomiting, stools or spasms, and ameliorated in open air and in company. Ethusa synapium is similar to Antimonium crudum, arsenic, calcareum.